I think it's like anything else, Libba. If you have passion for it, you're going to be good at it. And some people just have those kitchen skills. You know, it just, the common sense that goes along with your stove. So, but you know, reading every cookbook you can, the more familiar you get with it, and the more you do it, the better you're going to get at it. And it's all about pleasing that.
Hi, Paula. I'm Michelle. This is Lindsay, and we're actually from North Carolina. So we would like to know what you like about the Carolinas. Do you want to say anything about North Carolina?
Well,
Part yours.
I adore the song Carolina Girls. That's great shag music. But I think probably the barbecue. When I think about the Carolinas, I definitely think about the barbecue that y'all produce. It's good.
Hi, Paula. I'm Will. I'm with Channel 10.
Hey, Will.
I just had a quick question for you. You said that earlier it's not every day that you get to be face to face with the fans. What are you
Yes.
hoping they take away from this meeting?
Well, you know, I tell everybody the same thing, Will, that our time is always short together, and I hope that they're going to walk in, forget about everything that kind of irks them, and just sit back and have a good time and share some laughs. Um, you know, it can be a very tough world out there, and I hope they just sit back and have a good time.
Hi, I'm Jess from Channel 15.
Hello, Jess.
Cooking tips for us.
Huh?
I was wondering if you had any cooking tips for us.
Well, I've got about 12 cookbooks, uh, 2 or 3 shows. I've got a lot of cooking tips, and maybe I'll get to one today.
Hi, Miss D.
Well,
I
hello.
saw you in Atlanta 2 weeks ago, and that was fabulous.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Friend.
That was a sad weekend. I was coming off of a very sad
Oh,
weekend.
yeah, that was the whole food. But you packed out the house in there.
Yes, yes.
The response was great to your condolences. So,
Thank you.
Cuban food. Have you ever had it? And if
You
so,
know, I have eaten Cuban food.
you've never had Cuban food.
Yes, I have eaten
Oh, you
Cuban
have Cuban
food.
So what's your favorite?
Yes, but I have never cooked it. Uh, I don't know. When I think of Cuban food, I think of black beans and rice.
Okay.
What do you think of?
Well, I'm Cuban.
Uh-huh.
So our staples are black beans, lots of pork. I don't eat pork. But
You
I
don't?
do not eat any pork, no. Oxtail in the pressure cooker. Oxtail, lots of yummy oxtail.
I just cooked the best pot of oxtails. Oh my
Well,
gracious.
one day I hope to be able to share with you my oxtail.
And you cook them in the pressure
In the
cooker.
pressure cooker, yep.
Oh my gosh, they're so bone-sucking good.
Absolutely amazing.
And you know that little stuff right there on the end that you suck and no.
Thank you.
Hey, Gwen.
I just wanted to ask you, I know you have so many things that you're involved with, but what's next? What can you tell us that you have going on now?
You see my daddy standing over my left shoulder. He's not really my daddy, but he is my business manager and my agent. And we have so much going on, Gwen, that I get it confused in my head. What can we talk about, Barry?
Yeah, you have an ABC Christmas special.
Yes, I'm going to do an ABC Christmas special.
Back in Savannah. In Savannah. Not
It
in
is. It's sewn up.
Albany. In Savannah. Just about.
Yay! I start filming Best Dishes Monday, and we'll be shooting the Christmas special on Monday. Um, the furniture, our furniture line is doing so well, Gwen. I was told that it's the #1 selling brand throughout America. So I'm really proud of that. Thank you. Thank you. you.
Next month you're going down to Alabama. With the tickets.
Yes.
Okay.
Al Roker and I will be going to Alabama, Birmingham, Alabama. I think either June 13th or 14th. I can't exactly remember, but we're going to be taking furniture, and hopefully Smithville will give me a truck full of protein. They're giving me 2 trucks.
2 truck loads.
Are we talking like 50 or 60,000 pounds? That is very, very generous of my partners at Smithville. So Barry just said we're going to be taking 2 truckloads, and usually when we go to a food bank in an area, we'll take 1 truck, and it's anywhere between 25 and 30,000 pounds of solid, straight protein, no fillers. So Barry just told me that they have donated 2 truckloads. So that will be double the amount, and we're taking my husband's coffee. We're going to be taking my pots and pans, cookbooks, and I'm personally cleaning out my own closet, and I'm going to ask for other girls and guys to clean out their closet and help me take clothes to that area, because these people have lost everything. Honey, would you speak up, please? Or come closer.
These days there's so much emphasis on healthy eating, especially with families and kids. And
Yes.
I know for butter, obviously, is some of
Yes.
more
Yes.
But are you doing anything to help the healthy eating movement, given your ability to influence people?
Well, you know, I always tell people on my show, it is about like Mama's cooking and things that she cooked and put on the table for us growing up. And, you know, back when I was a child, you didn't sit on a sofa with a computer. You worked or you played outdoors. So obesity never was an issue. But I do encourage people to use moderation, which, look at me, I hadn't used that just lately. But, but yes, everything in moderation. My children, who are the current generation, you might say, are raising children, and yes, they do lighten up my dishes. But regardless of what people think, just because I'm from Georgia does not mean that we eat fried chicken, biscuits, and gravy every meal. That's a fallacy. We don't. But when I do have it, I'm going to cook it like I was taught to cook it, and I'm going to be very, very true to my Southern roots. So like I said, it's about, like anything, it's moderation. And we do eat salad once in a while at our house. With some good fresh garlic butter on the bread. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank y'all so much. Thank you.